All right, so we've been learning about the tiling method, right? And how to use it to find the area of rectangles. And so that's what I'm gonna, just since we've been learning about that today, I wanna see what you guys know, what I can better teach you guys tomorrow, what you don't understand, and if you understand all of it, we can move on. So I'm just gonna give you guys a couple questions just to make sure we're on the same track. So here's number one. Create a 3x4 array with your tiles. I already gave you guys each of your tiles and your markers and your whiteboards. So create a 3x4 array with your tiles and write the number sentence, including the total area. When you guys are done, just give me a thumbs up. Good job, guys. Question 2 is, create a 1x5 array with your tiles and write the number sentence, including the total area. You can go ahead and just give me a thumbs up when you're done. So how did you know what the total area, both of you guys are done, so how did you know what the total area was?
So I knew that it had to be 1x5, and when you multiply a number by 1, then it's the same thing. And when you count them, you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's one row of 5.
Wow. Is that how you found it too, Brittany?
Yeah, I just counted out the squares, so I just made my rectangle and then counted them, and I saw that it was 5, and then I remembered that 1 times 5 is 5. But I used it by counting the tiles first.
Counting the tiles first. Okay, great job, guys. Ready for the next one. Number 3 is, this time you have to create a rectangle with an area of 9 with your tiles and write the number sentence, including the dimensions. So explain to me your thinking here, Alex.
So I did the 2x4, and then I added the 1, because isn't that in the right? Would that work?
So we talked about using the tiling method for rectangles, right?
Okay, so I should try a different way.
So how do you know what a rectangle is? Like how do you know if something's a rectangle?
They would have, so that would be a rectangle. So I need to find a way to make where they have the same on both sides, right?
Well, it doesn't have to be the same on both sides. But if you drew this, it wouldn't all have right angles. It wouldn't be a rectangle because this, if you drew it out, like draw it out for yourself. If
Yeah.
you drew it like this, a rectangle has 4 right angles. That.
It has 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll try a different way.
Okay. How do you get it? Oh, wow. So you use did you use what we were doing in the last problem?
Yeah,
kind of?
yeah. So I remembered that the last one was a 1x5, I think, and so I just thought that I could do a 1x9 and
Yeah.
it would still be a rectangle.
Can you show me one other way you could do it?
Okay, I think this way might be better. Because this
That's a
is,
good idea.
it actually makes a square.
How do you know it's a square?
So when they're together, there's 3 for the length and 3 for the width.
Oh, so it's
It's the
when
same.
it's the same length and width. It's a square. And Brittany found that too. What would be the number sentence for that one, Brittany?
It would be 3 by 3 equals 9.
Oh, very good job, guys. All right, the last one. So, here's a word problem as our last one. Mary is planting a garden with her grandma in her backyard. She's going to make a garden that is 5 feet by 6 feet. Using your tiles, create her garden and write the number sentence. Awesome job, Brittany. That's a pretty big rectangle, isn't it? It's a
Yeah.
pretty big garden.
But instead of counting all of them, I remember my 5s, and so I did 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I didn't even have to count all of them.
That's awesome. What a great idea. All right, you can clear your board and read a book. Hey, Alex, what did you do?
So I knew once I needed to have 5, and then once I needed to have 6, and then I got my 5s, and I made the columns of 5, and then I counted by 5. So it was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 5s was 30.
All right, that's awesome, Alex. Seems like we both use fives. All right, you guys can close your books that you've been reading, and I will pick up your tiles. And just remember, I'm not grading this. This is just so I can better teach you guys tomorrow. And it seems like you guys understood a lot. Thanks for taking your time on that.